asked me to do another hijab tutorial, so today I'm doing that. Today I am doing another hijab niqab tutorial because I've had a lot of requests, so I like to listen to my audience. I like to please my friends as best I can, so I am doing a 3-look, 2-layer hijab tutorial today, and we are going to start out with the color green with an overlying silk scarf with flowers on it. Today we're going to start out with this green cotton, really lightweight, airy hijab, because in the summertime and sometimes even in the fall and spring it gets very warm if you're wearing hijab. So I have these really nice, really light cotton airy hijabs, and I just had these made and shipped out to me. If you want to buy some, they are on my Etsy shop, so you can check the link in the description below if you want to buy these scarves, and they come in many colors. I do travel a lot though, ladies, so I put on there that I deliver them within 2 weeks. If I'm not traveling, you'll get them in a few days usually, depending on where you're living in the world. If I am traveling, it might take a couple of weeks. So here we're going to just wrap the first layer around. This is the easiest way to do hijab. You just wrap it right around and you get yourself a hijab pin like this. These are very inexpensive. I will be putting them in my shop shortly, but I didn't order a supply of them yet. So you can get them elsewhere online though if you want to get some hijab pins. Or you can use a safety pin, but sometimes safety pins snag your hijabs and make holes. I just think these hijab pins work a lot better. So there we've got, this is just a cotton head cap, right? Just a regular cotton head cap. Underneath there's a regular cap. Then I just wrapped it around my head. And then you can just adjust it a little bit. Okay? Using a hijab pin. Just like this. Cotton niqab. Actually, this is a head cap. You can use it as a niqab or no niqab, right? This is another head cap, and then just the cotton hijab. So then we're going to layer it with a smaller or the same size silk hijab. So this is a silk hijab, but you can buy different types, doesn't matter what the material is. I bought this one in Amsterdam, so I don't sell these, ladies, sorry. So just tuck it around again, pull it around your head like this, and then just grab another pin, whether it's a safety pin or a hijab pin, and then just pin it to hold it in place. You can pin it underneath or you can pin it on the side. Just pinning it on the side right here. Can't really see what I'm doing because I don't have my glasses on and the camera has a very tiny screen, so great, I just pinned my I just pinned my glove to the hijab. Way to go. Way to go, Glory. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. So just pin your hijab to keep it in place. And if you are worried about your hijab moving, just gonna tuck that piece in there. You can take a straight pin, right? Just a regular straight pin, like this one, see? And just kind of, be careful not to stab yourself in the head or anything, but just kind of weave it down through your hijab on one side and then on the other, okay? That's where we want it, towards the top. Being careful not to draw blood or anything like that. There we go. So there we have it. This is the first look. It's 2 layered. So here we have the first look, okay? So it's layered twice. I'm just wearing a basic black butterfly abaya, okay? But you can get abayas in different colors. Alright. You see how nice that looks with the 2 layers? Okay? And gloves are always a nice touch, and if you want to move your scarf around, you can. You can put it in the back or keep it in the front, just depends on what you want. If you want to make a longer piece here, you can make a little bow or a tie. Here we go. And the scarf hanging down right here makes a nice cover as well. There we go.
I promise I'm real. This is what my voice sounds like. But at any time, I can become Barbie. Or I can be a robot model TVD XZ265.